Hello students, this is Johnson handling 7th Standard Biology, Chapter 3, Kingdom Classification 2. In this session, you will learn about the following learning objectives are classification of invertebrates, phylum Arthropoda. Again, in this phylum, divided into 4 subclasses. There are Class 1 Crustacea, Class 2 Myriapoda, Class 3 Insecta, Class 4 Arachnida. Phylum Arthropoda means 8 jointed legs. So legs are jointed attached with the body. So it called it as Phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda in Greek orthos jointed, podas foot. So jointed legged animals. Phylum Arthropoda, they have complex muscular system with exoskeleton for attachment, striated muscles for rapid actions and smooth muscles for visceral organs. Cilia are absent. Here, muscles are complex in manner we cannot separate and with exoskeleton attachment of striated muscles and rapid actions mean the more number of muscles in inside the body. So smooth muscles for visceral organs and smooth muscles for visceral organs, that means internal organs are very soft in nature. So exoskeleton is then the bones covered with outer of the body. So it is called it as exoskeleton. Cilia are absent. Second one, there is a tough outer covering on the body of arthropods called exoskeleton. Yes, the bones are covered outside of the animal body. It is a tough, hard, shell-like manner. So it is called it as exoskeleton. Each body segment usually bears paired lateral and jointed legs or appendages. So usually body segmented and also lateral joints, legs and appendages. Yes. So segmented means the body can divided normally head, thorax and abdomen this like manner. So it is compartment and also it attachment of lateral jointed legs. Body cavity is hemocoel filled with blood. Yes. Body cavity is an hollow in nature, that means empty space, thus empty space, that space occupied by the filled with blood, and the coelums are reduced to the spaces of the genital and excretory organs. Third point, body cavity is hemocoel, that is filled with blood. Here hemocoel means the body have a vacant filled with blood. The coelums are reduced to the spaces of the genital and excretory organs. So maybe and also attached and also formation of and structure of genital character, yes, and excretory organs. Alimentary canal is complete mouth and anus light. Next point. Alimentary canal is complete mouth and anus lie at opposite ends of the body. Yes. So complete of the digestive system from mouth to anus to the direction opposite end of the body. Respiration through general body surface by gills, air tubes, trachea or book lungs. So normally respiration by the body surface by gills, air tubes, and book lungs. And circulatory system is open with dorsal arteries but without capillaries and veins. It means that blood does not flow in well defined blood vessels. So here circulatory system is open system. The dorsal heart, that means upper of the body surface heart is occurred, and also it is an open circulatory system internal of the animal body, no without any arteries and capillaries and veins. Sexes are usually separate, maybe male and female, that separate. Sexual dimorphism is well marked in several forms. Yes, male and female also well organized and separated of the each of the animal. Arthropoda forms the largest phylum of animal kingdom. About about 900,000 species are known or identified in Arthropoda. Some examples of members of this phylum are Some examples of members of this phylum are prawn, crab, housefly, etc. Yes, see this picture. We know very well prawn and crab. We are used daily our food diet. Next one, the phylum Arthropoda. Again, we can divide it into four subclasses. The first one, crustaceans, two pairs of antenna, five or more pair of legs. Insects, three pair of legs, one or two pairs of wings. Spider, no antenna, four pairs of legs. Centipedes and millipedes, many segments with legs on. So phylum Arthropoda, again we are classified into four subclasses. Phylum Arthropoda, crustaceans, insects, spider, centipedes and millipedes. The crab, especially in the subclass of Crustacea. So crustacea means in Latin hard shell, belonging to the hard shell of the animal body it covered. Yes, they are aquatic animals. Head and thorax are fused together to form cephalothorax. We cannot differentiate head and thorax, so they is joined together, fused together, so it is called that cephalothorax. Respiration by gills, example polymen, prawn, Daphnia, waterfield, cyclops, one-eyed giant animal, cancer, true crab. Now we can see the crab of the structure of the animal body. So movable fingers, immovable fingers. Yes, we can take it and remove that inside the flesh, and palm and eyes, notches and antenna, and wrist, and bigger surface of the crab, carapace and abdomen. So running legs, spin claws for digging, and flattened leg tip for swimming and digging. So these are the structure of the crab. It is the exoskeleton. The bones are covered in outside of the animal body. Second class, Millipede, Myriapoda, in Greek name 10,000 feet. Yes. So body is elongated. The body is in very length in nature, metamerically segmented, with each segment having one or two pairs of legs. Yes, in this body of an animal, the segmented body, each body having pair of legs. Respiration by tracheae, example Scolopendra. Sco- Second point, respiration by trachea. Examples of Scolopendra, centipede, Julius, millipede. Yes, yes. Now see the structure of millipede. There's head and the anal segment. Head is in rounded attachment of, and also it is pair of antenna, mouth and mandible, labrum and eye, and that after the head region up to that end of the last portion of the anal segment, that is called the trunk. Yes, each compartment or segment, most body segments have two pairs of legs. Yes, and anal segment at the back. Class 3 insecta, we know very well. Insecta means insects. Body is divisible into two. Class 3 insecta, body is divisible into distinct head, thorax and abdomen. Yes, we can divide it into body of a structure, three parts, majorly head, thorax and abdomen. Abdomen lacks appendages, head has a pair of antennae and mouth parts, and thorax has three pairs of legs and two pairs of wings. Here, lacks of appendages, any special structure of that finger-like projection here absent in the abdomen region. Head has a pair of antennae and mouth parts, and thorax has three pairs of legs, and the region of thorax three pairs of legs and two pairs of wings. Respiration by trachea. If some of the examples for Lepsima silverfish, Melanopus grasshopper, Grillus house cricket, Theriplantana cockroach, Musca housefly, Apis honeybee, Anopheles mosquito, Culus mosquito, and Prius butterfly, and Cymex bedbug. These are the examples of class Insecta. Class 4 Arachnida. Yes, in Greek means spider. They have fused head and thorax. The heads are fused in nature, that means we cannot separate. Antenna and two jaws are absent. Respiration by trachea, book lungs or book gills. Respiration by trachea, book lungs and book gills. Some of the examples of Limulus, king crab, Pulmonellus, and next one, Pulmoneus, scorpion, and Aronia, spider, Scoptus, Sarcoptus, edge mites, Orgus, tick. So these are the examples for subclass of Arachnida. So these are that animal of that phylum. Fourth subclass of Arachnida: Pulmoneus, scorpion, and Limulus, king crab. It's the big size of the crab. And Sarcoptus, edge mites. We can see some of the domestic animals, especially in cat, on the skin. So it is attached with the skin, so it is easily suck the blood from the host. And Orgus tick, it is also, we can see on the hand of the body within the feathers and inside the skin. It is also attached and suck the blood. These are the examples for subclass of Arachnida. Thank you, students. We will discuss in the next class for new chapter. Thank you once again. Thank you.